Welcome to the BugMD family. Today we're going to show you how to set up your No Buzz Zone, the quiet, UV-powered device that continuously catches flies, gnats, and other flying pests indoors. We'll have your device running at maximum efficiency in under 2 minutes. No Buzz Zone is simple to set up. First, take one sticky trap, peel off the adhesive cover, and slide the trap securely inside the device. You'll feel it click into place. Next, plug the No Buzz Zone into any standard outlet. You'll see a subtle blue glow. This light is intentionally dim to human eyes, but incredibly bright and attractive to insects. It's working 24/7 to draw pests away from your food and into the trap. The key to success? Strategic placement. Plug your No Buzz Zone into an outlet near where you see flying pests. By a fruit bowl, near a door, or by your trash can. Avoid placing it near windows or bright lamps that compete with the UV light. You want the No Buzz Zone to be the strongest light source in the area to maximize your catches. For heavy invasions, remember, multiple units work better than just one. You should see pests start sticking to the trap within hours. Seeing flies near the device? That means it's working. They're being lured into the trap where they belong. Population reduction takes about 3 to 7 days as the device works to break the breeding cycle. Check your trap weekly. Replace the sticky trap when it's covered with catches or when the adhesive starts losing its stickiness. A fresh trap is the best way to maintain maximum catching power. If you have any questions or are still seeing pests after a week or two, visit our website to chat with a bug expert. It's that simple. Get started today and reclaim your home from flying pests.